and everything. Still, some people didn't give in, but I took the pictures. And then I even went out in government hospitals and everything in search for measures. So I found uh,
Yeah, we lost you here. Can you hear us, Akhil? Good morning, Nandini. You are on mute.
Good morning.
Good
I'm
morning.
still with Kanchan's name, but anyway, I've joined. I said let them sort it out. I'll quit then 5 minutes and rejoin,
Sure.
Otherwise, no point.
Akhil, can you hear us?
I think we've lost him.
Yeah. So the second CR, are you there?
Sakshi, I think. Huh?
Hmm. Sakshi, are you there?
Yes, sir. Can you?
Yeah, Sakshi. Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh,
So can we start with the presentation with you?
Very few people have joined. Why have only 35 people joined? That
ma'am,
means only
the
33.
strength is tested.
Can you put a message on the group that everybody should join immediately? Today is a very critical day for you to select your subjects and get started with the assignment.
Okay, yes, ma'am. I'll do that. Sir, for the presentation, can you give me 2 minutes? I have to join from my laptop.
That's fine. We'll wait for 2 minutes. That's okay.
Okay.
Who is roll number 1?
I have the list. Let me call out from that. Otherwise,
Yeah, I think we can save some time here.
yeah. Rishabh Mohan Chatterjee.
Excuse me, ma'am, I'm ready. Should I present?
Yeah. Okay.
And Rishabh Mohan, please be ready after this. You will be presenting, so keep yourself ready, Rishabh.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
No, your screen is not visible still.
Okay. I think it's loading. Now?
Yes.
Okay. So the two topics that I chose were the first, the posters, second were masking. So came around. Usually the that I found were outside a restaurant or a cafe. So this is one that I found at ice cream, and we found the iconic uh, according to the W side. Outside is the hoarding. So on the hoarding it's written essential for. This iconography on it. There was, where that was one, this was where it was just printed and stuck to the sanitizer.
Do you see have a
So no, I do not have any closer picture of that, but
Okay.
I'll try getting one.
Okay, next, please.
So this is another sanitizer stand, and here also there is another different graphic on it. And on the right hand side is just a sticker on the floor. Surprising, there was just one sticker only on the floor, where it should have been like one on the right and one on the left, with 2 meter distance between them, but there was just one only. Then outside the government colony, government posters were put up. So I just found these posters outside a government society or a colony and nowhere else. So that these are the posters. They are posters in my city. Yeah, so this was one government office, and the poster was put up there. And on the right hand side, it's a poster that was put up outside a cafe. It was very detailed, and the cafe had like 3 to 4 posters related to COVID, and like it has do's and don'ts. So on the left hand side, the same cafe had this poster of that one should wear a mask. It was on the entrance, so this was the first poster one could see. And on the right hand side, this is the Starbucks poster. So I found it very clever and with the graphics and everything. So the same cafe, these are the other two posters that it had. So it's sorry. Yeah. So it's on the table, like on the counter, it's social distancing line strip that you can see. On the right hand side, it's the FSSAI poster. So here also, it's the how it's their specialty, how they maintain hygiene in there. Uh, so then on the left hand side, there's another poster outside, like it was quite big. It's outside another eating place, and it's their guidelines. And on the right hand side, it's an advertisement poster, but it was very surprising to see that how it was an eye hospital, but they have mentioned about all the COVID precautions that they take. So this was outside the Puma store. Uh, yeah, it was stuck on the gate and it was quite big. And even they have mentioned that how they follow the guidelines and there are different icons and graphics. So even those are interesting. I have a zoomed up version on the right hand side. Okay. So, just a minute. So on the left hand side, this was a Titan showroom, and it was surprising that they didn't have a proper poster for it. It was just a printed piece of paper, and it was just for social distancing and mask, and everything was like nothing was highlighted in the poster. So, and on the right hand side, it's from a store, like from a clothing store, and even in the right hand side poster, one cannot make out that it is a poster related to COVID because there are no graphics, it's just text and no graphics, it's just icons. So I had to go and look closer to the poster and read that what is it about. Yeah, so these are some other government posters that were put up outside an ATM. So one thing that I noticed that the government posters are less engaging and less eye-catching comparatively. Like one cannot make out that these are posters related to COVID. These are just printed sheets, and that too outside an ATM where uh, people often people visit often. So one thing that they did was it is both in English and in Hindi. That was one advantage. Yeah. So these are some other advertisement posters slash banners that I saw. So one is an empty ad, but they have completely changed it according to COVID, and they are now their advertisement is completely revolving around COVID and how it boosts immunity. And on the right hand side, similarly, they have mentioned the ingredients like it fights COVID. Sorry, it builds our immunity. So even that, and these are both placed outside a medical store. Then my second topic was masking identity. So I went around and studied where all could I find masks. So on the right hand side is a picture like of a bundled mask. Like in the beginning, we all started buying masks in bulk. So that is one. And on the right hand side, I came across like it's a Panwadi, and even he's selling masks because it was that essential. It is that essential. Then on the right hand side, I found some stalls. this was on the left hand side. It was an accessory, like accessory shop. It used to sell female products, and then it is now also selling masks. And on the right hand side, as you can see, there are different types of masks on the graph. The graphics are different. I couldn't get a zoomed in picture because the shopkeeper wouldn't allow it. Then here in the left hand side, it's a tailor working, and what I saw that now people have started giving their masks as well to get stitched. So as you can see, the masks are hanging there. She also sold some, but she also stitched them. So that was one interesting thing. On the right hand side, there is a picture of a mobile repair shop. As you can see, the Vivo board. It's a mobile shop, and even they have started selling masks. But they do not have much variety. But yeah, like as in for the essential point of view, they do have like these 10 to 15 masks. Then these are some children masks that I found of a child in my colony. So it also had a back and front print. Like on the left hand side, it's the back print, and on the right hand side, it's a front print. So I think it could be worn both ways, like front and back, and it was even washable. So I asked my friends for pictures, like for different masks. So she's my batchmate, my friend Pari. So she went to a wedding lately, and she wore masks according to her outfit. So that is one. And on the right hand side, people have now started painting their own masks according to their favorite TV shows. So it's a cartoon there, Shin-chan, and then there is a show called Friends, series Friends. So the masks are according to that. Yes, sir, it's done. If I have less pictures for the masking identity, I'm searching for more.
Sakshi, which city are you in?
Ma'am, I'm in Bhopal.
You're in Bhopal. That's
Yes.
interesting.
Um,
That's a good start, Sakshi. I think you can collect more of your friends, ask them to send you more masks.
yes, ma'am.
King this masked identity. You can even try and take photographs on the road and see how people wear it, what kind they wear.
Yeah.
So you'll collect a lot more references of different kinds of masks and
Hmm. Hmm. Sure, ma'am.
So for Sakshi and for everyone, always keep your student ID with you. So in case somebody stops you or asks you what you are up to, you can tell them that you are actually a student and tell them what project you are working on and you are studying. So that will make things easier for you. And like ma'am already said, it will be nice to have images of people wearing the mask. And also what you can do is that in case a roadside shop doesn't allow you to take photos, spend 20 or 30 rupees, buy a mask from him or her, and then he or she will allow you. So learn how to negotiate like that. So good start. Thank you. Okay, Rishabh.
also
Next.
Sakshi, it would be interesting if you get photographs of how people handle their masks also. Are they nikalte karte, do they do it in the right manner, or where do they touch? I mean, how much?
Okay.
So that would be an interesting study also.
Definitely, ma'am. I'll include that as well. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Rishabh, would Rishabh present now? Rishabh is not here.
See, today's assignment we are marking you. So we would expect you to present your work when we call your name. If you're not ready and present later, you will lose some grades. This is your first graded assignment of the course.
Sir,
Excuse me, sir.
I joined back. Can I? share?
Yes. Akhil,
Yes, ma'am.
you can share.
So, ma'am, I'm from Kerala, Kollam. So, most of the posters I collected is in Malayalam. So, one of the main campaigns done by the government of Kerala is the Break the Chain campaign, which is all about preventing people from getting COVID. So that was the main campaign. So this is one of, like, it's been 1 year, so I couldn't find much posters, and most of the posters I found was had like posted and everything. So this is the city police notice, which is applied on hotels and restaurants. Um, and this is the this I went to McDonald's and clicked the social distancing, that they had signs on the floor to maintain social distancing. So this is the break the chain logo, and this is the poster that they apply on bus stands and railway stations. This was the same poster I showed in the beginning in front of a restaurant. And this is the break the chain poster for SBI. And these were some random writings on temples and everything. Everything was in Malayalam. And because of that, all the shops should have a sanitizing station in front. Another break the chain poster. So I went to this cafe and they didn't have any break the chain posters, but they had a lot of posters which had a lot of illustrations in it. So I found that interesting. So this is one of it. And this was the main city police poster pasted in a lot of public places. Like this was the most common one, also from Break the Chain. And the other illustrative poster that I found in the cafe. So in the below you can see the city police notice that I've shown earlier. And this was like the Break the Chain campaign. They also had a lot of installations like hand pipes and sanitizing stations in and around the city. So this is one of those stations.
Close up of the graphics.
I'm sorry, sir.
Do you have the close up of the previous graphics?
This one?
Yeah.
No, sir. This is the one I've got.
Okay. Take close ups also in future.
Okay, sir. I'll take that. Again, the city police one. So I've also went to the government hospital. I couldn't take much pictures, but I got the front picture of the COVID-19 treatment center. I have the close up later. There's another Break the Chain poster. And this was from the same, which was in Hindi in a bus stand. This was the Break the Chain logo. And this was the customer guidelines in a mall. And again, the Break the Chain was also involved in floors just above the escalators. And this was one of the hand pipes I've installed now. It's worn and torn, but like this is present in a lot of bus stands, in front of bus stands and railway stations. Again, Break the Chain by the Federal Bank. Center. So that's it.
topic.
I'm sorry, sir.
Second topic.
Second topic were memes. 1 second, I'll just show that. I'm sorry, sir, but the memes I put it on my drive, it hasn't been uploaded yet. Can I show it after one person?
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, this is Prachi. Sir,
Yes.
actually, I have a power cut, so I might disconnect very soon. Is it okay if I show first?
Yeah,
Yes,
please
sir.
go ahead, Prachi. From Prachi.
Sir, is the screen
Yes,
visible?
the screen is visible. Where are you joining from?
Sir, I'm from Navsari, Gujarat. Sir, and ma'am, one of the first topics I chose was advertisements. So, these are a few advertisements from Zomato. So I chose a few of these advertisements from some of the notifications that I was also getting on my mobile phone, and I found them really interesting. So I went on to their Instagram pages and kind of saw how they were engaging their followers and as well as creating awareness among them. So I saw some examples like the last one on this page that they are not really kind of highlighting their brand's name a lot, but creating awareness. Their main aim is to create awareness and not just promote themselves. So I found that really interesting, and it was not really common in a lot of brands to see that.
Rachi, I think Lifeboy also did that. Just have a look, okay?
Okay, ma'am, I'll check that. Yeah, okay.
I think Kajol also gave a message or something like that. Just have a look.
Okay, ma'am, I'll check. Yes. Then my next topic was masked identity. So I chose some quotes and some photographs. So I found some of these where they were kind of created as more critical readers, and how they're handling the situation of the pandemic. These were some of the street art. So I saw some from outside of India as well, some of them. These are from India. So next is photographs. I purposely chose photographs from famous tabloids because capture situation at a time when we could not go outside, and they showed us images which portrayed the situation of the country. Yes, and that's all.
Sakshi, do you have any primary research in your
So-
entire work?
No, sir. Just
It would be nice if you could push yourself to find any primary research, no? These topics would be available in newspaper also if you're looking at cartoons and all. If you're looking at street art, if you make more effort, you can find at least some primary research on that. So this is okay as a direction, but what
Yes.
would make it better if you had some primary research, kuch bhi at least, even if it is one or two images.
I think it would be interesting to get the flavor of Navsari also.
yes,
So
ma'am.
just go out and also see how people are, how the local shops are also advertising, or are they doing anything, and also how people, what kind of mask people are wearing, how are they? Okay.
At international cartoons, I would encourage look at गुजराती कार्टून्स. गुजराती समाचार पत्र में भी कार्टून्स आते होंगे ना,
Yes, sir.
उसमें आपको एक बहुत लोकल फ्लेवर मिलेगा जो कि
Yes,
बहुत
right.
यूनिक होगा. That's what we want in this course for you to look at, because then you are drawing for something which is very indigenous.
Yes, sir. Right.
Okay, so see, anyone can study an international thing, but you saw that my Wadli presentation, how I had gone and looked at something very local, very tribal,
Yes,
that
sir.
others
Right.
can't do. So that's what Nandini is also telling you. Look at what is in Navsari.
Okay. Okay, sir.
I think you can go. I think some interesting local papers are published from Navsari. Maybe if you go to the newspaper office, they can give you back issues even if you don't have them at home.
Yes. Yes. Right.
And for field research, I'm suggesting this to everyone, not just to Prachi. Always carry your student ID, be very polite. And if somebody says no, it's okay. Then you can go to the next place. But be very polite, show them your ID, be honest, and usually people are helpful.
Okay, sir. I'll look for primary resources today on my topics.
Student, please.
Thank you.
आपका पावर कट होने वाला है ना, सो इफ यू आर
सर
नॉट,
हो चुका है, बट अभी थोड़ी बैटरी है, तो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम.
तो ठीक है, जब आपका एनीवे बैटरी खत्म हो जाएगा तो आप ये काम शुरू कर दो. ओके, नेक्स्ट
Okay,
स्टूडेंट
yes.
प्लीज. अनिरुद्ध. Anirudh, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Yeah, please go ahead with your presentation.
Sir, I would be able to show you only one part of it, if that's okay.
Why?
I could not get much over the weekend. So,
They will
all I
mark
did-
you for whatever you show. So, show
Alright,
whatever you have.
Yes, sir.
See, you all can see your name in the chat list. We will be inviting you in that list, so please be ready.
Is it visible, sir? So So my topic that I chose was for the first one was memes based on the pandemic. And so in this one, what it overlaid to me was the sedentary lifestyle that everyone had started getting used to. And this one relays how online medium has its own problems, as people were not really able to adjust pretty quickly to this medium, and everyone wanted to go back to the way the things were. Some common jokes which went around the social media were that people were more involved in household chores rather than the work they were supposed to do. This one is a jab at how some of the Chinese apps were banned, and some student is writing that if even Zoom would have been banned, it would have been a boon sent to all the children, as they would be exempted from all the online teaching. And this one kind of portrays how people had this irrational fear of the coronavirus, as nobody really understood, and the some of the few guidelines that were conveyed, people took that very seriously, and sometimes reacted hilariously to those situations. This one is about the importance of hand sanitizers and cleanliness that was enforced during the pandemic. This one is a meme in a South Indian language which I could not comprehend, but it was what I could probably get was it was about the unlock campaign and how people would celebrate. And this is about the infamy of our Prime Minister Modi, about how he comes and gives a session at 8 o'clock or in the night, or 10 a.m. in the morning, and changes the direction of the country in which it's headed. These are some memes or jokes which are also acting as an ad campaign to prevent the spread of corona, and are based on the retro Bollywood movies. This is about how commodities were separated from the general public, like how we were unable to access them for a long time when the lockdown was in effect. So many people were facing issues like great length of hair, which many had to cut themselves at homes. And this is about how teaching never really stopped during this pandemic, and how social online platforms became a part of our daily lifestyle. This one takes a jab at how many of teachers and faculty members were not prepared for this pandemic, or how they would have to tackle these online classes, and like many students who are mischievous in nature have taken advantage of the fact that a few of the teachers were unfamiliar with many different softwares and stuff like that. So that's all I was able to collect for the weekend, sir.
That's a good start and quite a good topic also. And can you get more Indian ones?
Sure, sir.
So Tom and Jerry is fine, but it is very Western. Unless they are talking in a local language, then they will become Indian.
Okay, sir.
Also, subdivide your topics, like you have Bollywood as one topic, and like that you can think how you can subdivide and start building more.
That's
You haven't chosen a second topic?
Ma'am, I have, but was not able to do pretty good research on it. So I would be doing it like today onwards.
What is
your
the
second?
second?
So,
I've chosen government advisories in public.
okay. And where are you, Anirudh?
Ma'am, I'm situated in Delhi.
In Delhi. Good. So I think you will get a rich source of information. Just go around and do take a lot of photographs. Of,
I will try, ma'am, but quite honestly, right now the situation has pretty much changed because like almost everything is pretty much open, and even the COVID norms and guidelines that were reinforced to effect in previously in the few months before are not exactly followed now. So like it's rarely we get to see COVID poster or something like that now. Like it's still there, but now they're covered behind some other poster or stuff like that.
you can even take a few photographs of that kind of situation to show also how things are changing. See where you even find old posters and where you find that they're getting covered up and things are not getting more casual.
Okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Rishabh, are you there? Who is this mysterious student, Rishabh? He's mysterious. There are only 31 of them now. Okay, Geetika, you can start. Geetika Joshi.
Yes, I'll present.
CR, Ankit, are you there? Okay, Sakshi. Sakshi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Sakshi, can you please message the student Rishabh and find out what's happening?
Yes, sir. I'll do.
Okay.
So is my screen visible?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, so my first topic is cartoons under masked identity. So I found all the cartoons from the newspapers, basically Times of India, most of them. I'll put the dates and upload it on the drive as well. I haven't put the dates right away. So this was the first cartoon of how we have to battle. When winter came, there was an article of how battling winter and corona at the same time. Just a minute. Is the slide changing?
No, it has changed.
I think we lost one. There was one before this.
Yeah. Yeah, so this was the second one. And this was when the budget had came. It's called the Atmanirbhar Clinic. This was about how hugging ruined ties, about the trade. Then this was when government had introduced prize fund. This was when the vaccine had came. This was again when in very early times when it was an article about how researchers there needs to be first research where there could be more cases and there they have to test instead of just a herd community of going everywhere and testing. This was again a political cartoon. This was of Durga Puja, of how in times of Corona also the puja taking place without any social distancing. This was on the medical one. This is again on the medical. This is how we have to now rise up our economy in the times of COVID and how they have taken that shackle chains and made that the corona's virus symbol. This was on how Delhi has more, when an article had came out about how Delhi has managed more poorly than Mumbai. This was increasing cancer rates in the times of Corona. This was the export of vaccines when the vaccines had came. This was again the manufacturing of vaccines. This was of how in now have banks have increased the EMI rates. Now, these are some of the cartoons that they were introduced to inform, where there were articles about information about corona and the precautions taken. These are a few by Times of India, where they used to put this hashtag Mask India in all the articles where there were mask related articles, and this was the Navratri cartoon that they had made. Now, my second topic was celebrations during COVID. This photo I took from my neighbor. She had attended a wedding of her sister, and they had attended that on their TV on Zoom. This was again my cousin sister who got who is about to get married, and the first puja that they had done, they had done it in different cities. This is my sister's office New Year celebration, which they had done online. Now, this is from the school. Now, I'm in Vadodara, and this is from the school that I grew up in. I contacted them, and they showed me, they gave me resources from their Facebook page. This was their Christmas celebration. This was the yoga celebration that took last year. This is again from that school's Independence Day celebration. This was my sister's birthday last week only, and her office friends had called her, video called her, and she had celebrated with them. So this is a screenshot of that call. This I took from social media. I'm yet to put the sources. This I had found of a Raksha Bandhan celebration. This is again of a Swaminarayan temple Diwali celebration invite. So we can see how now venues have changed to there are links placed and timings of online puja. This is again of a different mandir, of how now the list of items also are put online and there are links. This is of a wedding planner's profile page. Now, this was a very viral wedding which took place where the bride had tested COVID positive on her wedding day, but still they got married in PPE kit. This was a Navratri celebration and the Ganesh Chaturthi celebration. That's all.
So good choice of very diverse topic. Good start.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Kirtika, will you also collect the whole newspaper? Have you cut out the cartoons, or do you have the whole newspaper?
I just took photos of them.
It would be good to have the kind of how they are within the source, and as you said, most of the time you have quoted the article, so that will give you good information also. So
like a more zoomed out photo where there's also the headline.
Yeah,
Okay,
relation
okay.
between the text and image.
Okay, yeah, I'll do that.
will you also collect some from, say, Gujarati papers in Baroda, Divya Bhaskar, and maybe Gujarati?
Yeah, I don't have it, so today I'll go to my neighbor's place and get the Gujarati newspapers as well.
Yes, so that would be also interesting. How in the regional
Yeah,
newspapers also.
sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, next who will come?
Sir, it's Kriti.
Yeah, please go ahead, Krit.
Yes, sir. So the screen is visible.
Is it possible to make it full screen? Very good.
I live in Surat, Gujarat, and I explored some of the places around my city, VIP, Bhatta Road, Aldhan, and all these things. So I was exploring, and I found the picture on the left is of a garden before a garden gate entrance. So I checked that there was no poster on the entrance, and the poster was lying thrown like a dump on the roadside, and I just clicked it, and I didn't took a full picture unfolding it. And when I went to another garden nearby my area, so I saw there the poster was hanging quite very well and like in the center of the gate. So this shows carelessness of some person, like the authorities. Then I asked my friend, she's in medical. So I asked her to get a picture, if possible, near her college or hospital. So she sent me these pictures of COVID vaccination center and a board there of SMC. Um, then I found this on the gate of a metro. There was a wholesale market and a wholesale store. So I found this picture there, and this was just before we enter. So it was quite I took a close up, and this was a very short one, like it's not visible very clearly. Then I saw that some of the very well-known brands and this Burger King and McDonald's, they have their own posters on the gate with their logo on it. Like Burger King is having a logo there, and even the McDonald's, they have this printed material for the people. So I asked this gatekeeper to give me that. So she handed me this, and then even sorry, even the statue also is wearing the mask. So I took a picture. Then I went to this Chroma. It is a Tata enterprise selling electronics. So as I mentioned that big showrooms or very well-known brands have their own posters and banners with their logo. So Chroma is also having their logo here. And then there is this right-hand side a bread liner. It is a bakery, and even they have their own logo and this no mask. And down here it is a sanitizer, that where we keep the sanitizer and use to this. Then I came across these posters in a metro wholesale store lift where like per person, only 4 persons are allowed at a time, and how to follow the rules. Then this penalty about for 200 rupees, like if they are not wearing a mask. And then this was on the right hand side, it a poster from again hospital Metis Adventist, but it is placed in a metro wholesale store, very visible. Then I found so this was on the roadside of this society, and on the right hand side, as I mentioned, that quite a few posters were there where logo was printed. So this was a cafe where I found this. Then this was on BRTS stand, like where we take tickets. So they have this stick there, and this was inside the place where the people sit for wait for the bus to arrive. And then this was on the roadside. On the left hand side, I found really interesting. It was a picture from Surat Times, like it comes with Times of India. So I took that. And right one is from internet, and this one is also from internet. Then I found these instead of they replaced it with vaccination and Mask India, as Gitika also showed. And these are some few posters again. Then my second topic is Bollywood posters, how they changed during Corona time. So I have this. This is Shadi Mein Zarur Aana. So they have changed to Shadi Mein Mat Aana and put mask around the faces. And these are some. Here they have put sanitizers mask on Shah Rukh Khan's and Kajol's face. And this was quite interesting. This Chhattisgarh police have created a posters using this, um, let's say, Mogambo and uh, or creating it. Like I found these four.
Yeah, that was Amitabh Bachchan from Shahenshah film.
Yeah, yes, sir. And Munna Bhai, like their famous dialogues are used here. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. Sorry, sir, I couldn't hear you.
You can read one of the dialects for the benefit of the class.
Yes, sir. Here Amitabh Bachchan says that एक कोरोना रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे दुश्मन लगते हैं नाम है कोरोना वॉरियर्स एंड other one is आपने मास्क पहना हाथ भी धोए मोगैम्बो खुश हुआ.
Okay, good. Okay, so the very true, very interesting topics, and these are like parody on Bollywood posters. So they're not like new film posters, but parody or like a spoof of Bollywood.
Yes, sir.
Kriti, you can look at Surat. I think Surat's local Gujarat Mitra, Surat's local newspaper also.
Okay, yes, ma'am. Okay,
So that
I'll try to find it.
yeah, I mean somebody or the other must be getting it, or you could call up their office and ask if they have a site where you could get it or get it from them.
Yes, ma'am. I'll do that, or I'll go to library to search.
Yeah, good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Can we have Lippy now? Lippy, are you here?
Yes, ma'am, but like before me there's Krina. So is she there? I'm
Okay, if
not
she
sure.
is presenting, no problem. Either of you. But why is the class disappearing? Because you need to be present when you see other people and see other people's work, not just disappear. Because there's a lot to learn from each other, and also it will help you decide what topics you finally want to find lights on. I see everybody disappearing, the class getting smaller and smaller. That's not the right way to work. There's a lot that we learn from each other.
And we will have a fresh attendance taking in shortly. So we'll discard the morning one and take a fresh attendance. Yeah, please start next.
Because if everyone is present, we can't make the most of an online class. There will be time when we will tell you that you can go and do your work once you've done your presentation, but not now. I think we still need to work together, all of us as a class. Where are the class CRs? Can you put that message on the chat that we want everyone back? We are taking attendance again.
Yes, ma'am. I'm putting it up.
Ma'am, so should I or should we wait for her?
You can present.
Okay, ma'am.
And Krina, are you ready? Please be ready. Are you on the group, Krina? Lippy, you can present.
Yes.
You're going very fast, Lippy. Can you explain what you're from with the start from the beginning?
We already started. You have to also talk about it, Lippy. I can't hear you, Lippy.
Oh, sorry, I was on mute. So, thankfully, in my city, the COVID hasn't hurt pretty hard. So, basically, the protocols were in the lockdown were harsh, but after that, people were normally free, moving here and there without any protocols. So like it isn't much strict right now, but there are some posters, and like currently I'm showing what I've got on internet, and after I'll show what I have researched like in my area. So
Which
Get
city
one
are you in?
brief.
Which
Where are
city
you?
are you in?
I'm from Mehsana, sir.
Okay.
Mehsana, Gujarat.
Okay, keep the internet one brief, and I'm more interested in what you shot. So go ahead, please.
So this one, like as I've said, that this is surviving in the Amul ad and some of the memes. So wait, let me just start that one only. So many in many places you can see they started stacking up outside, so people won't be very close to the counter, and there is a little distance maintained without using that rope or anything. So this was one picture of that. This was please wear a mask outside Fevicol and the company. So this is like as I said that protocols weren't following. So this circle was people were supposed to stand, but people are putting the bikes and vehicles over here, and nobody's following. People are just rushing in the store without any consent. Also, you can see they plant this glass, but the doors are open and people are just coming inside. So when I talked to the owner, they said that they didn't have this plastic thing before, and they put it in to make sure like they feel that COVID comes from outside to in and it's on the road. So they have this thing to protect, like in form or not. So this was a store, and over here the clothing store, and this was written. Mostly all of them were handwritten and not very professionally made. Government didn't had much of posters or campaign going on. Many companies like this stall also came outside of. They were usually in the store. This was written on the like very short and very high up. It was hard to notice even. Also, this store has this plastic thing that they covered. Only this, I think that this was the only store that they were following all the protocols and COVID rules. They had this the pharmacy also. This sitting area was first inside and not out here, but they keep it so people won't come in and create a chaos inside. And this was the sign. Mostly, as I said, that rather than government, this medical company were giving posters to people, and also like Samsung and stuff like that. This shop was also outside near the road, so they have this rod kind of thing, and you have to be outside here to order. And it says the N95 mask is only of ₹20, but still people in the store were not wearing, as you can see the person over here. This was also has this on the door, they have laminated this COVID protocol. Some like rules of engagement for the person, the pharmacy. This was the pharmacy. This was the only government poster that was seen. This was also, this is actually a cardiac hospital, and they also have this very small return, like printed, manually printed. Also, I find this very peculiar in a form that this academy has this poster of mask in many areas, but they were intentionally teared down. Like this was also a mask outside the Galaxy one. They were showing the protection efficiency of the mask. Like this one, they were people. I don't know why they intentionally tore it down, because they had some issue with the company or. And this was apparently inside the shop rather than putting it outside. So at the railway station, as you can see, this was the proportion of regular rules, and in that only the hub town in which where it is located, the bus station, they have this very short A4 size where written the protocols that were supposed to be followed, but they weren't. This was outside, like outside a shop, and this was
This is
from a
very
railway
interesting.
station,
Okay, go ahead.
and in a medical hospital, the form of ART, I guess it's something related to COVID that has to be followed. What is there, but so this is the scheme that one has to follow. It was just put it in the notice with tape on in them. This was a poster that COVID protocol. This was also by government, but the actually, oh no, I there is a picture, the close-up picture. I have clicked of it, and it was very blurrily written. I think so they made it in Photoshop and then forgot to resize it properly. This was also a poster opposite to it only about how coughing and would work. And this was like the advertisement for masks. And this was just very like barely seeable protocols of COVID infection. At the railway station, you could see the this was like a coronavirus. The whole there was 2-3 posters, the same like of different kind, like this one. And as you can see, the city has been progressed a lot. As you can, the corona poster has been overshadowed by the railway poster. So, like people are just not even like it's COVID is not there in the city. You can say perhaps like very small pictogram just for the sake of putting people are doing it. And also at the railway station they have these circles, but as you can see, because of lower contrast ratio, it was barely visible that there were circles to sit on. And this was also there, like the whole railway line that you have to stand on, they have circles, but nobody was even in the station. So yeah, that's it.
So good start.
Lippy, can you get some more handwritten notices? That would be nice. You showed 1 or 2 handwritten notices.
Yes, ma'am.
About corona advisories. If you find some more, that would also be very interesting, as say compared to the printed ones. I mean, it would enrich your study?
Actually, I did some research and I found out one person who does this poster. Like, there's only one person who's making the graphical poster in my city, and like if they 5 o'clock he closed down. So if there's by any chance I have time, I will go to his shop at 4 o'clock. So he has this strict schedule that he follows.
Okay, that sounds very interesting, that person.
Okay, I will look him up. Thank you.
Next, please. The CR, could you find what is up with Rushabh?
Told me that he's traveling and he would join in the afternoon session. Ma'am, I guess next is Mansi, but she's not in the meeting, so I'm next after her, so I'll present. I'll start with our masked identities. So I went to a store yesterday, DMart store. So there were in the parking lots. There were some caricatures made for children to sanitize for sanitization. So I found those interesting because many people come in the parking lot to park their vehicles and with their kids, so they can also get messages. So that was a good way of promoting. Then I wasn't able to find much murals around the city, so I found some on the internet. So like these were for the warriors. Then some sand art also for Holi, like festival. Then in regional art, rangolis were also made. So I found that interesting. Also, many festivals were also these were the festivals. So Ravan was made as a COVID-19 and was burned. Many interesting things were also seen. So yeah, like I also found Amul's interesting. So I thought that it would also create an impact. Advertisement response to pandemic. So these are all outside pictures of social distancing stickers. Like I chose food as my topic, so these are all restaurants and things restaurants.
Taught by you?
Yes, sir. And so at the end, like I found some online creative for many companies. So these are some collage of all the companies like KFC, Finger Cleaning, all the brands who have changed their they have changed it in a creative way. Yeah, that's it.
That's a good start, but you need to collect a lot more local material also.
Ma'am, local material as
in looking at brands changing or they've done things. Okay, in that sense I meant local. How have they looked at the pandemic?
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Very first image was very good. So more like those.
Yeah.
Yes, so I'm trying to find those in the city.
You all will need to move around a little